Hi, my name is Riaz Bazani. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer for Snowstorm Technologies. We've been dealing with Dreamztech for the last 2.5 years. They are an amazing group of individuals. I can't say enough about them. They've taken what I conceptualized 3 years ago and have delivered a world-class platform that is now commercially viable and starting to generate income and being adopted by major travel companies around the world. I think the technology that they've created with us will help change the travel landscape, and yeah, can't say enough about them. Their teams are accommodating, go out of their way, organized, go the extra mile when you need them. And like any other long-term development, there's ups and downs, but they've stuck through it and gone through the rough times with us and have performed remarkably. I can't say enough about them, and I'd recommend them to anyone who really needs a world-class organization. Thank you.